Tonight, the investigation into reports of small car-sized drones hovering over New York and New Jersey is deepening.
Oh, it's slowing down.
Tonight, authorities in Toms River, New Jersey, launching their own drone offensive for a closer look. Their eye in the sky, capturing one of the drones in motion.
You're not targeting or going after them, so to speak. Is there a methodology and reason why?
Well, right now we just want to identify what it is. The way it was explained, they're 2 feet bigger than our drones, or 2 times the size rather, so they're about 4 feet, and it looks like it's a fixed wing type craft. What concerns us mostly is that at this point nobody's seen any of these units taking off or landing.
This is a significant threat to
Since
U.S.
mid-November,
national security.
these mysterious drones have been spotted almost nightly over central and northern New Jersey. They hover near critical sites like the Picatinny Arsenal, a military research base, and even over former President Trump's golf course in Bedminster.
SUV-sized drones in New Jersey. Dozens of reports seen near military bases, armories, civilian areas, over people's houses, properties owned by President-elect Trump. The FBI says they've been investigating it for a month.
The FBI and New Jersey State Police are investigating, but so far, no one has claimed responsibility. Are they part of a secret military project? A corporate experiment, or something more sinister? What's even stranger is their size. Some are described as the size of a small car. These aren't your average hobby drones. Authorities are asking the public for photos and videos to help unravel this growing mystery. Theories are swirling. Are they secret military experiments, corporate surveillance, or something more ominous? Could these be foreign spy devices, advanced tech testing, or even rogue hobbyists pushing boundaries? No one knows yet, and the FBI is on high alert. The skies are watching us. But who's behind it? Subscribe and join the search for answers.